Please complete the form if you have a diagnosed medical condition such as diabetes, epilepsy or fibromyalgia, a learning difference such as dyslexia, ADHD or autism, or if you're blind or partially sighted, deaf or have partial hearing, or if you have a diagnosed mental health condition such as anxiety and depression, an eating disorder or obsessive compulsive disorder. If you don't have a formal diagnosis but have evidence of a screening, had adjustments that support your previous place of education, or are undergoing current medical investigations for an issue not yet diagnosed, please also fill out the form. You might have told UCAS about your condition already or mentioned this to a UEA staff member on a visit day, but it is important to fill in the form as well.
So if you're wondering why you should fill in this form, sharing information about your disability and its impacts helps us to think about what support you may need before the start of the course. It will help us understand what adjustments may be needed, and in turn it can help us share information with you about what to expect.
Fill in the form as soon as you can. We are aware that some support might take longer to set up, so the sooner we know what you might need, the higher the chance that appropriate support will be in place for the start of your studies.
Support available will depend on your diagnosis and your specific needs. We can offer you adjustments in exams such as extra time or the use of a computer. We have access to free assistive technology to help you study. We can provide access to one-to-one study skills tutorials that support your learning style. We can also signpost you to other sources of support that can support your studies, such as equipment and mentoring, depending on your need.